Welcome to Nursing 791. We will be working very closely together through this course. So for this course, you will be structuring your project based on the evidence that you gained in your literature review and your chosen theories and models as well. So your Chapter 1 was completed in 790, and that really serves as the foundation for your Chapter number 2 that you'll be completing in this particular course. So one of the first requirements is, of course, to meet with me, either virtually or in person, and we'll go through the timeline for the course assignments and such. And so feel free to contact me by email, and we'll set up an appointment. And that appointment needs to occur before June the 10th. In the meantime, please go to the Start Here and Course Materials tab to review the course documents. Pay special attention to the course timeline. You may want to print out the timeline as a reference. You will also find the needed course materials, including the syllabus, aggregate outcomes, student learning outcomes, rubrics, and IRB guidance in the Start Here and Course Materials tab. So most of the getting started information is there. All the completed assignments for the course will be uploaded within the Assignments tab. As a reminder, please be sure that absolutely all forms have the required signatures before you upload them. And remember, before you upload them in the course, and be sure to upload the appropriate completed forms in the portfolio as well. In addition, please plan ahead for your D&P Advanced Scholarly Project Overview presentation, and you will need to work with all of your team members to establish a date and time for the presentation. I really look forward to working with you in Nursing 791, and this is where things really start coming together, and we're going to build on what you've already started in 790. So as always, please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or concerns. Take care now.